Module 5, Lesson 4, the submission round trip. This lesson follows a single sign-up through the whole machine, from the public form through double opt-in to a confirmed subscriber with an audit-grade consent trail. Watching it once end to end makes everything in this module click. Here's the hosted page from last lesson as a visitor sees it. Fill in the email and name, tick the consent checkbox, and submit. The visitor sees the thank you state and they're told to check their inbox. At this moment, the subscriber exists in your workspace, but in pending state. They are not yet sendable. Switch back to the workspace and open subscribers. There's the new sign up with status pending. Pending means signed up, not yet confirmed. Campaigns will not send to them. This is double opt-in doing its job. Nobody receives your marketing until they prove they own the inbox. Click into the subscriber and look at the consent panel. The original submission is already recorded with the consent copy they agreed to and a timestamp. In the visitor's inbox, the confirmation email arrives, the one you customized in Module 2, Lesson 7 on your brand and your voice. The visitor clicks confirm. That click is the legal moment. Simple Marketing records it as a confirmed consent event with its own timestamp. Back in subscribers, refresh. The status flips from pending to active. The subscriber is now sendable and counts toward your audiences. Open their consent history, submission event, confirmation event, each with timestamp, source, and the exact consent text. If a regulator or an auditor ever asks, prove this person opted in, this trail is the answer. Module 10 covers exporting it. That's the full loop: form built, embedded or hosted, submitted, confirmed, recorded. Module 5 done. Your workspace now grows on its own. Next module, the social channel, posting beyond email. See you there.